day one of your iPhone app journey. I'm so excited for you. This is like the first day of school. If I'm your mom, I'm putting your new backpack and lunch sack in your hand. I'm taking a picture of you on the doorstep because you're about to embark on an awesome journey. Today, I'm going to be introducing you to two topics that you're going to spend the rest of the boot camp refining. And one of those is Swift, and the other one is Xcode. So let's talk about those two for a second. Swift is the programming language that we use in order to make iPhone apps. Swift came out in 2014. Previous to that, the programming language used to make iPhone apps was Objective-C. That was the programming language I learned when I was making my mini golf scorecard. And let me tell you, you have it so much better with Swift. Objective-C is really complicated, hard to read. Swift was specifically designed with beginners in mind that were new to programming, and even amongst experienced programmers, they think Swift is a really clean and beautiful language. So we're going to be learning Swift, and we're also going to be learning about Xcode. Xcode is the program that allows us to make iPhone apps. So we're going to take our Swift code and type it in Xcode, and we're also going to use Xcode to do other app things like designing how the app is going to look. Like we want a button right here, and we're going to list out information here. We want this button to be that color. All those sorts of things are going to happen inside of Xcode. So really, throughout the entire bootcamp, these are the two skills that we need to keep improving upon step by step. Now, this course was made for the absolute beginner, so if you have some experience, you're going to feel pretty familiar with what's going on. But if you're starting from square one, you are going to love it because I'm teaching directly to you. Now, I would like to say each day I have about an hour's worth of video content. I really want you to set aside about 2 to 3 hours for each day because, like I said before, I'm going to be giving you lots of challenges. If you ever get stuck on something, I want you to hit pause, maybe rewatch whatever it was, or go out and experiment on some few things. It's really the time that you spend not watching my videos and out trying things on your own, testing yourself, where you really start to learn. If you just watch straight through and kind of follow exactly what I do, you're really not going to learn all that much at the end of the day. You may get to see the background like, oh, cool, that's how iPhone apps are made, and I followed along with Nick. But if you really want to learn and say, I can do this at the end of the day and make this the launching pad to go off and do your own things, you got to spend some time out on your own. So I'm going to really recommend that you don't just watch the video straight through. Do all the challenges that I recommend. And on top of that, if you ever get a thought like, I wonder what would happen if I tried this, do it. Hit the pause button, go out and try it, see what happens. Okay? Enough with me blabbing on. Let's go ahead and check out Xcode in Swift. We're starting things right now.